Afoi matek afoi duki yup and watch mat chai mo manok kawa dugu wa mete ki kenyu now watika dugu dong chechok gang ngo tika time mo loni trending local news kilego dano matikitie ikumalami Uganda totally Acholi sub-region chako lako kitge ket menano yo minongo ni chang kicheri odiat Dr. Wayini Polkar ni wano kuono tuodi wa matek tutwal ka wano yedle ni micheri odiat kinu kene konyowa ikar manung tuo di wani dogotek wa bendan tika to maduong David Magere tik story man wanen kong video ma ena yobani
Ludiro me yot komi kumare me Uganda kilufonye madon University go miyo tam kilwak me Gulu City ki Acholi sub-region me beri ki wang matolo ka odok lok me gwa yot komgi pien gen ge Wayini Polkar dano ge chere odiat ka yenyo kony me yot kom no ku fone matek atira makodi tim man tika nyayo tuo maduong kom dano ki bene nyayo to pien ni karma no mergi lagi chon no dong tila chien tutwal mo weko polgi no dong kwa gi pegi tero laro ne luo man kono binu tini karme nyamutam kila do odiat madit me Gulu nyo principal hospital assistant Gulu regional referral man Walter oriek won ka cher kilo tela me Gulu university kom lokman inoni lokma akibod oriek won kono terni kit madano ko kwere lok menno yor kom nyonis health seeking behavior futila ping ikin lwak mo pol pien pol lwak gen ge cher odiat karma no go vone matek ma we ko ge beru tek atira
Health-seeking behaviors, one, the mentality we had before was that government facilities have nothing to offer. It is now that most people in the population realize that actually if you want health issues sorted, go to government facility. It is now that they know that the government employs, recruits qualified staff. It is now that after the government sends drugs and supplies to hospitals, government is able to give these other services like X-ray, CT scan and the rest free or at a subsidized cost as maintenance cost. And it is now that I've realized that actually majority of the private are doing business.
Oriak won kono Wayini meno pol cho gitigi tuan perman matek mo Polkar gen pegi maro nyo maro yuyo mecheri odiat chon ki kor mano gen gitia winyi magora da ka gicheri odiat mo wa Polkar kono gi beru tek atira
be looked into. They need to be encouraged. Most males don't want to reach hospital. They think they can get a Panadol, they can get some bitter herb, take and then they put water on top, have a pork to seal it and life goes on. For a man to come to hospital in the war, in most cases they never get out of the war because they've come at a stage that is irreversible. In most cases, most men when they see them they want end of tower they don't work man. But when the tower is still in the compound relaxing, men are also in their own one. But when it knocks the wind and the door, it's only see them. And in most cases, they don't get out.
en kono foyo mon ni Polkar mon kanyira pegi ye pikomge inge kare mo manoke ken magi winyu leri kom gen ge chero diat mo we rom me chero kano kon mi yot kom bod mon tila mal ke por gi cho inoni Professor David Okelo win mati la lob ko chancellor me Gulu University nyo deputy vice chancellor mador lok mi kwan kono mo ho ikar me yab ka choke matin mo chake Gulu City magi loni the first Gulu regional referral hospital and the third Aogu North Scientific conference matika teme ki boma hotel kono waje kama lengi pero padano mawero kelu yor committee kit ko magi nyoni health seeking behavior mai kingi tik cham magi chamo kidi ko magi ko mawero Polkar nya to e komgi.
One other aspect, maybe we'll make this the last, is the food we eat. When people have some little money in their hands, they begin saying that they are eating well. In the evening, they go drinking, order 6 kilos of pork, and you are two. You are eating well, alright. Maybe it is too well, or I will call it you are not eating well at all. May I tell you, you are not better than the person eating beans at all. Okay? The one eating beans with maybe 1 or 2 pieces of meat is better than you. We are beginning to have lifestyle diseases. One of the life is eating well. That's the style. You see people putting on weight, huge bellies. Yeah, mine may be the same, but
ino riek wun kon wai ni karibet kin men kono gen pi foñ mo cher mabo pol choro ngite ka lo tam gi lok minyo no yot kom do he kin cho maroma pa o to dong angwen mi o ya beach gi yenyo kon mi yot chum ke mi yot kom kai pori kar mo kar chon mano cho ario i kom cho apa no cho ario nyo adde ke ken gi chero riat ento mo ken gi to la ling en waji ka dong foñu mete pol kare cho ki mon ngi bu beru roma mano lok mi yot kom po beru gien mati pero lo gange One Luo TV, David Magere, Igulu City.
Maki karo kwede e karma lo riak no gorwate kile church pa One Luo TV kama go nyare lok matut kit ma in neno kwede lok mi chero yat kingo mai munye beno dik matini tamiti kwe e now logario mo batime watiki lok pa mabuj mi adek mago penyu ne kitimi gi kija gi duko gang inge ko ma pat ki bene watiki lok mi chero yat kit munyu lo riak no go katte kwede go mi tama megi